watching. Hello everyone, this is Odum Business Consult. Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall Microsoft product from your PC and install a new one. The reason for this video is that in my previous videos I've shown you how to install Microsoft Office, especially the apps from Office customization. Now that product that I've shown you how to use it, when using it for some few months or some few days, you'll be having issue of product activation. Okay, it will ask you to activate the product. Now there is another video on how to activate it. For the first activation, if you do it, it will work. That one too, you can use it for some few months and it will ask you to reactivate it. If you are to reactivate it, if you follow the procedure I taught you, it won't work. Okay, so in facing that issue, to resolve it once and for all, what you have to do is to uninstall that product that you've installed on the device. That's the Microsoft Office that you've installed on your device. Uninstall it, then reinstall another one. If you uninstall it, or if you uninstall the old one, the files that you've created and saved on your device will not be deleted. That's the beautiful aspect of it. Okay, your files will not be affected by the uninstallation. So if you uninstall it and reinstall a new one, now your files that you created it previously will still be active, or you can really still use it. Okay, so what you have to do here is to go to your start menu and look for control panel. Okay, look for control panel. So mine is here, just click on that. Then from there you see uninstall a program. Okay, click on that. Now you see all the programs that you've installed on your device, so look for the one that you want to uninstall. So for our case, for me, I have Microsoft Office ITSC Provisional Plus 2024. So I'll just click on that, or select that one and go to uninstall. If you click on it, it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Then in your case, because it is not active, it is not allowing you to use it, uninstall it. After uninstalling this one, then you install a new version of Microsoft Office. But for my case, I don't want to uninstall, so I'll click no. But in your case, because it is not active, or because all the functions or all the ribbons has been or have been locked, you have to uninstall it and install a new one. So this is how you can uninstall Microsoft Office from your PC. Now watch this video to the end and see how you can install a new Microsoft Office 2024 for free. Okay, I hope you find this video very helpful. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well and subscribe for me. Watch this video till the end so that you can benefit fully from that. Give a comment, share my videos with your friends. Continue watching to the end so that you. Good day. Today we're going to learn how to install Microsoft Office 2024 Professional mode for free. This is Odum Business Consult. You are welcome. The first thing that we have to do is to create a folder on our desktop or on our device and name it Office 2024. In this folder we are going to use it for all the things that we need, or we are going to extract and download all our files into that. So the first thing that you have to do is to create a folder on your desktop. So let's do that. I believe you know how to create a folder, a new folder. So here we name it 2024. Okay, so we have it here. Now what we have to do now is to open your browser. Then in the search address or in the search bar, type or look for Office customization. Okay, Office customization tool. So I've searched it by your own, type it like this, Office customization tool. Click on that. Then in the search result, the first link, just click on that. It will take you to the home page of the application or of the software. So here we have to do some few settings and few downloading over here. So what we are going to do here, under the architecture, choose either 32 bits or 64 bits depending the spec of your computer. So check it first. My own is 64, so I'll select the 64 bits. Then I'll scroll down and the products Office suite. I will select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 volume licenses. Okay, move on. Then under apps, here you decide the apps that you want to include it in the package. So for me, I don't like Skype for Business, I don't like OneNote, I like PowerPoint, so I'll leave it. I like Word, Excel too, I like it. OneDrive desktop, I don't like it. Outlook, I don't like it. Publisher, I don't like it. Okay, so you choose the one that you want it to be included in your installation. Okay, so then click next. Under language, choose English United States. Then over here, additional language, you can decide to add any other languages that you want, being it French, Arabic, or whatever that you want to add it. Okay, so the primary language, make sure you make it English language. Okay, then go to next. Next. Okay, let's see, go to next. Then under install any MSI version of Office including video and project, turn it off. Okay, turn that one off. Then go to next. Make sure under product key, Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 volume licenses, you choose KMS. Don't choose this one. If you choose it, it will ask you for the product key. So choose the KMS and scroll down, then go to next. This one, to scroll down, don't do anything here, you go to next. Then you go to finish, or you scroll down and locate finish. Click on that. Then you come to export. Okay, so here under the export, here you choose Office Open XML format. Okay, so select this one, then go to OK, then you select accept the terms and license agreement, and make sure the file name is configuration. Okay, then click on export. You wait it for it to be downloaded. I think it has finished downloading, so I'll just go to where it is being downloaded to. So show in folder, click on that. So under your download, this where you will find it. Okay, so here just copy the configuration, copy it, you copy, then you go to your desktop. You see the folder that you created, we name it 2024. Just paste it inside. Okay, let me see. Okay, so it is being pasted in it. You copy it from where it was downloaded to and paste it here. Okay, so what is left now is to open our browser again. Then we open new tab, then search for Office Deployment Tool. Okay, so search for Office Deployment Tool. You wait for it to give you the results. So from the first link in the search results, click on Download Office Deployment Tool from Official. Okay, so click on that. Then when you come here, make sure English is selected and click on Download. Okay, make sure this one English is selected, then you click on Download. You have to wait depending. Okay, so it is downloading. I think it has finished downloaded. So this show me in the folder. So this is where it has been downloaded to. I'll right click on that, the Office Deployment Tool, right click on that, run as an administrator, click on yes. Then here you click here accept and continue. Then it will ask you where you want to extract it to. Okay, so choose the folder that you created on your desktop 2024. Okay, choose the folder. Okay, so you have to change this name later. Okay, you have to add Office 2024 to it. I beg your pardon, but there's nothing wrong with the process that you've gone through so far. So just click on OK. Then set files extracted successfully. Just close everything here. We are done with them. Just open it and see. So it has been extracted into that folder. So as I said, let's rename this folder into Office 2024. Okay, let's make it quite official. So make it Office 2024. Okay, so there is nothing wrong with the process that you've gone through so far. Just change the name. Okay, let's make it official small. So Office 2024. Now that we are done, what you have to do, we will copy this folder. Right click on that, you copy, go to your C drive, this one, you look at this and paste in it. Okay, so let's open it. It has been pasted. Okay, so we have it here, Office 2024. Now we are almost done, so we go to our start menu, then search for command prompt. Okay, so this one, search for command prompt. Right click on that, run as an administrator, click on yes. So here just write cd, cd space. Now let's go to our C drive again. Let's go there, the C drive, then copy this link, open it and copy this one. Okay, copy, you copy this one, copy it, you come here, you paste, Ctrl V, paste, then you press enter. When you press enter, just write setup / right configure. Okay, right configure space, then write configuration dot xml. press enter. Then if you have followed me successfully, this is where you're supposed to get to. It will start installing for you, but for me, because I've already installed Microsoft product on my device, this is what it is telling me. It said we can't install. To install this product, first uninstall the following product and retry Microsoft Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021. I've already installed Professional Plus 2021 on this device, so if I want to have the 2024, I have to uninstall this one first. That's why it is telling me that I cannot install it right now. But for your case, because you don't have it, it will start the installation. Just wait for it to be installed on your device and start using Microsoft Office 2024 for free without having any copyright issue. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Comment on the video and share it with your friends. If you have any issue during the installation, just leave them in the comment section and I will attend to you. See you soon.